What's the difference between magnet mount and permanent mount antennas? Well, a magnet mount has a magnet on the base, and that magnet then sticks to your vehicle, and that magnetic connection is what allows that antenna to ground to the body of your vehicle to create that ground plane. Here's an example of a popular magnet antenna. This is a Wilson 1000. In the packaging, it always comes with these metal rings to hold it secure, and you can see, obviously, has a magnet that sticks the antenna to the vehicle, and then it comes with a whip that extends out. Magnet antennas, generally speaking, are all base loaded. You can get magnet mounts that will receive a threaded antenna like a Firestik as well. So this is a magnet antenna, and a permanent mount antenna, something you mount permanently. You drill holes like this. Ball mount here. This ball mount requires 4 different holes to be drilled. One large hole for the center connection, and then 3 smaller holes for the kind of horseshoe connection. This is a roof mount antenna. It would require 1 larger hole to be drilled in the roof. So what's the difference between a magnet mount and permanent mount antenna? Well, if it attaches to the vehicle via a magnet, sticking or not.